everyone, today I'll be sharing my go bag and explain why each item inside is important for survival during emergencies.
Ito dapat sino yan?
Now, umpisahan natin dito sa unang
This bag contains my important document, blanket, towel, pants, t-shirt, and underwear on the side of the bag. I pack them in order so that I can easily grab the important document first, followed by the other essentials. This will help me stay dry, warm, and comfortable, especially if I need to stay in an evacuation center. Now let's go to the next go bag. I have a first aid kit which includes cotton for cleaning wounds, and alcohol, paracetamol or medicines for fever, headaches, and other illnesses, ointments, betadine for wounds, and inhaler. A first aid kit is very important in case of injuries, especially when medical help isn't immediately available. The next one is the sanitary napkin, essential for hygiene and comfort. For hygiene, I pack a hygiene kit that contains of a tissue for sanitation, a shampoo, and conditioner to keep your hair soft and manageable. And then we have here a toothpaste to keep your breath fresh. A toothbrush and hairbrush for your hair and for your teeth so that you can stay clean. Soap for cleaning. And of course, don't forget to bring a cup and a plate for food. We need at least 1 liter of clean water so that we can stay hydrated. Some biscuits and the milk, crackers, milk, noodles, and canned foods are important in a go bag because they are practical and can help you survive during emergencies like natural disasters, power outage, or evacuations. Having a go bag ready can make a huge difference during emergencies. It helps us stay safe, prepared, and comfortable while waiting for rescue or returning home. If you don't have a go bag yet, start preparing one now.